4-pack of heavy-duty bristle scrub brushes for cleaning toilet bowls. Easy, sanitary storage with included base holder, keeps floors clean and dry. Keeps scrub brush discreetly hidden between uses within a base holder. Durable plastic construction. Long comfort grip, non-slip handle. Storage caddy. Discreetly store the scrub brush in its convenient base caddy, which keeps floors clean and dry and the brush neatly contained. Non-slip grip. Featuring a long handle with a non-slip coating, the brush can be used in wet conditions and provides exceptional leverage and grip. Dynamic use. Designed for cleaning toilet bowls, the scrub brush features a rounded end for hard-to-reach areas and the ability to scrub under the toilet lip. Top reviews from the United States. These are white plastic, perfect for me as I did not want them to rust. Even though I love the look of stainless steel, I know that in little time, if getting a stainless steel item wet every so often, it will soon rust and look awful. That's why I chose to go with these white plastic ones. I know for sure they will not rust. Plastic is easy to clean. In my opinion, they don't look bad next to our white toilets. So far I'm happy with my purchase.